This video is how to break down a Glock 19 third generation. Okay, here's the clip. Okay, what you want to do, take the clip out. You check the chamber, make sure it's empty. You want to dry fire it. Okay, and then you turn it around and you want your hand, this part, to go over here. And you just want to barely bring it back, just enough so the trigger doesn't lock again. And then go forward. See? It's very, very easy. Everything's easy about this gun. Okay, and there's your spring. See? Okay, and your barrel comes right out. And when you clean it, the main four parts you want to hit are that part, that, and that. And that one little area right there is for the trigger. Okay, and when you're putting it back together, you slide the barrel. Really, there's no wrong way to do it. And your spring. Okay. There you go. Simple. Now, I highly recommend this gun. This was my first gun, and I've shot it about 300 times, and it's yet to jam, and it's very, very accurate. Thank you.